Yeah, careful on here, it's all gravelly. Oh my god. So this was our campsite for Saturday. Today's Sunday. This is the morning after, so this is Sunday. We had the most massive thunderstorm ever last night. If I can get any footage from that I will, but I don't think I've got any. But we're all packed up and ready to go, and today we're going to Geneva. So yeah, off we go.
A few moments later.
Starting a Ducati. Go now! God.
Come here, do it. Where have we got?
So, battery won't start, so we're going to have to bump it. Yeah. So the GS has been dropped, the Ducati won't start, and the Triumph's had its number plate busted off. So stop for a quick food break. And this is where we are on our way to Switzerland. It's very nice, isn't it? So I'm going to see if the Ducati will start, and then we'll be on our way. So another check-in. As you can see, I've got this beautiful site in front of me. We're about 100 miles away from Switzerland now. Been on the road for about 3 or 4 hours. As you can see, it's t-shirt, it's just too warm. It's about 35 degrees at the moment. The lads have also joined me because it's just too warm. I could actually be without a t-shirt right now, I am that warm. But yeah, I mean, that view's pretty stunning, right? But yeah, Grenoble, just saw the sign for that then. Switzerland is not that far away. We're going to be getting a hotel tonight because the weather forecast for tomorrow morning and tonight is horrendous. As I told you in the last campsite we stayed at, had torrential downpours, which was pretty bad. I woke up in the middle of the night and it was like nothing I'd ever heard or seen before. So yeah, we don't really want that to happen again tonight, so we think a hotel might be a good shout. And my airbed's decided to just pop, so yeah, I kind of need a new airbed on my travels as well. But yeah, I'll check in a bit more when I get a bit closer to Switzerland. Never gonna give you up. So, stayed in an Ibis budget hotel last night. France won the World Cup, so that was a bit insane. But today we're pressing on Switzerland. We're about 5 miles away, so yeah, this is just where we stayed. It's just pretty budget and pretty poverty, but you know, ready to go again. Feels like a distant memory since we're in northern France. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is it in Switzerland. So beautiful so far, such a difference to France. I could tell as we were getting closer to Switzerland, France was changing, but now we've actually got into Switzerland, the views are absolutely breathtaking. I believe today we're going to go do the passes as well, because we're here for the day. I think we're going to try and work our way into southern Germany as well today. So yeah, I'll get the filming on when we get going a bit. We're going to stop and have something to eat in a bit. Yeah. I know. Oh Jesus Christ! It is. Talon steps. I'm gonna fly up there on my dragon. On my Onyx Cloudster. Yeah, Sharavanga. Yeah. I always wanted the Heavenly Golden one, but you had to do loads on the Timeless Island. I could never be bothered. Yeah, I couldn't be bothered for that. And then I just went and got Mimiron's head first drop. I was like, yeah, boy! Yeah. Really? Jesus, man. Sick, man. Cheers, lads. Thanks. My ass can have a rest a minute as well. Well, that's quite a view, isn't it? Wow, what was that? Hey everybody, how's it going? So this is Monday night's camping spot. This is Camping Arai in Switzerland. This is by far the best campsite we've stayed at yet by a country mile. I thought the one in Borderac was going to be the best in South France, but nah, definitely not. It's here, Arai in Switzerland. It is absolutely phenomenal. It's a 5-star campsite. There's a lake down there where I've just been swimming and so have the guys. And you know, in there there's a restaurant, there's a store, there's everything. So yeah, this is, if you're gonna come to Switzerland, guys, come stay at Camping Arai. Welcome to day number, I don't know what day it is. What is it today? Wednesday? Is it Wednesday?
It's bit back.
It's Wednesday. We're in another budget ibis because we're cheap.
We're cheap? No, it's always fucking available.
Because it's what was available. Nice little drawing on the wall there. And the bikes are out there. So, hi everybody, this is another budget ibis. This is one in Germany. I hope you can hear me okay. I haven't got a microphone plugged in today. Not doing any really audio, just any leftover clips really of Germany and whatnot. So yeah, this is the budget ibis. I did the inside tour. As you can tell, it's very budget. Having some problems with the Ducati. Apparently it's not really rideable, so I've just been told. So I think we're going to try and see what happens, but I don't know if Ben's going to have to be recovered, but we'll see, I suppose. We'll see what happens.